नमस्कार. आजच्या बातमीपत्रामध्ये आपलं स्वागत आहे. चला तर बघूयात आपल्या आजच्या ठळक घडामोडी.
To formalize the Indian equine industry, the Equine Collective, an initiative under the aegis of MIT World Peace University, is organizing the country's first dedicated national equestrian forum. The conference, aimed at shaping the future of the equine industry, will be held on April 11 and 12 at Hotel Hyatt in Pune. The forum is scheduled to be inaugurated on April 11 at 9 am by Jaikumar Raval, State Minister for Marketing and Protocol, and Pankaja Munde, Minister for Animal Husbandry and Dairy Development. This information was shared by Ms. Gayatri Rahul Karad, founder and coordinator of the Equine Collective, during a press conference. Other dignitaries present at the event included Dr. F.F. Wadia, President of the National Horse Breeding Society of India, Mr. Rohan More, co-founder of Japalopi Equestrian Pune, Professor Ravishankar Sahu, Associate Director of CIAP at MIT WPU. The Equestrian Forum is supported by Poonawalla Stud Farms in collaboration with Nanoli Stud Farms and Dr. F.F. Wadia from the National Horse Breeding Society of India.
हॅलो, माझं नाव गायत्री कराड आहे. माझा शो जम्पिंग आणि इक्वेस्ट्रियन मध्ये बॅकग्राऊंड आहे आणि एज्युकेशन मध्ये बॅकग्राऊंड आहे. आम्ही हे दी इक्वेस्ट्रियन फोरम 2026 म्हणून एक परिषद काढतोय, where we are trying to get together all of the decision makers in the horse industry, so in the equine field. So we are trying to push education as a center for better standards, for disease control, for health and welfare of horses. We are trying to push sport. We are trying to push growth of the industry, because we not just the horse, but we have so many industries associated with it, such as agriculture. We have the leather industry. We have the vaccination industry, the veterinary education industry. So we want to keep all of these people together and start conversations about what are the gaps in our industry and how can we change policy in the long term and lay a foundation for the horse industry in the long term. For this conference, we have Srimati Pankaja Munde ji, who is the Minister of Animal Husbandry and Dairy, as well as Mr. Jaikumar Raval ji, who is the Minister of Marketing and Protocol. With them, we want to raise concerns such as rebranding the racing industry, polo industry, reclaiming our heritage, as well as sport, to push horses as the center. Other than that, for animal husbandry and dairy, we want to promote disease control, because we had a very large outbreak of glanders, as well as welfare. So better vaccinations, better disease control, and a healthier horse sphere for ourselves and for the country. And we also want to push skill development as well as employment generation through this initiative. In the long term, we are working on a skill development center for grooms and farriers. The grooms are the ones that work in the stables, and the farriers are the ones that do the shoeing for the horses. So we want to push employment as well as skill development in this industry, because as you may know, 40% of our workforce was unemployed last year in 2025. So how can we repurpose, rural or tier 2 cities workers into this industry and help the country gain better revenue, as well as a better standing for sport competition for horses as a whole. And it is all because of our love for horses.
Supporting. Thank you.
We have the National Horse Breeding Society supporting us. We have the National Research on Equines at Hisar supporting us. All India Marwari Horse Society supporting us. This is an MIT WPU backed initiative. We have Poonawalla, Nanoli Equestrian, as well as La Polo as our media partner, and Japanese Equestrian Section. Thank you.
Thank you.